In this video, I'm doing a side-by-side comparison of the Osmo Action 3 and the GoPro Hero 11. The Osmo Action 3's release this past September was rough. There was a ton of videos showing that it had focus issues. There's speculation that it was a hardware problem, not a software problem that DJI wouldn't acknowledge. A few months after that initial launch, DJI released a major firmware update with several image quality improvements. A couple of weeks ago, DJI released another firmware update for the Osmo Action 3. So now after 2 updates, I want to do another comparison of the Osmo Action 3 with the GoPro Hero 11 to see which camera is better. One thing to keep in mind when you're comparing the images is that the Osmo Action 3 is a 4K camera and the GoPro is 5.3K. The most recent update has improved the enhanced image quality setting. It was only available up to 30 frames per second. Now it's available up to 60 frames per second. When enhanced image quality is enabled, the camera will record more detail in the highlights and the shadows. I shot this video with enhanced image quality on. The update also improved the image quality when you use the Osmo Action 3 as a webcam or to live stream. I see the biggest difference between the Osmo Action 3 and GoPro Hero 11 when recording faces. After 2 firmware updates, faces still look a little soft when compared to the Hero 11 in my opinion. So far, I'm really impressed with the image quality of the GoPro Hero 11. On this channel, I share the latest camera news, reviews, and how-tos, so like and subscribe to learn how to get the most out of your gear. For comparison, I set both cameras to full auto exposure, set the Hero 11 stabilization to auto boost, and the Osmo Action 3 to Rocksteady Plus. The Hero 11 color profile is set to natural, and the Osmo Action 3's color profile is set to normal. The stabilization is great on both cameras. I can't really see a difference. Here I'm on the west side of the hill on the shady side to see if there is a significant difference in a low light environment. I can say though that both cameras are tough. Here they both fell over onto a rock. They were dirty, but neither camera was damaged. I think the Hero 11 footage looks clearer and sharper in the shade compared to the Osmo Action 3. Let me know what you think. I also wanted to compare them more in bright golden hour sunlight. You can definitely see a difference in the color profiles. The Osmo Action 3 is much more vibrant compared to the Hero 11, but you can change the Hero 11's color profile to vibrant if you like that look. The Osmo Action 3's image quality is much better when there's plenty of light, but the GoPro Hero 11 still picks up more detail. Everyone has their own personal preference when it comes to color profile and image quality. I like the amount of detail captured by the GoPro Hero 11, but they're both great cameras. If you want to learn more about the GoPro settings and features, check out this video here.